Hello everyone, Dr. T here. In this presentation, I will briefly talk about the importance of video marketing. In a different video, I mentioned that content creation is a significant component of social media marketing. It's how you engage your customers and increase your number of connections. Video marketing, in particular, is probably the most effective form of content. It has many advantages over just voice recordings, such as podcasts or written blogs. According to a 2015 study by eMarketer, US adults spend 5.5 hours daily watching video. Out of this number, about 4 hours spent watching TV and the rest on digital devices. Mobile video watching is increasing while desktop or laptop watching is stagnant. More than 80% of adults in the US have smartphones and they are used about 2 hours a day on average to consume media. Although TV watching is still strong, it's impossible to ignore the digital video consumption. One other advantage of video over other forms of digital content is that it provides a richer communication medium. The more senses your customers use to receive your message, the better they digest it. Also, unlike reading an article or a blog, your customers can watch or listen to your video while doing other things. And we all know that people nowadays are crazy with multitasking. Further, everyone has a different way to learn. When we look at the cognitive learning theories in psychology, we see that there are conceptual learning, which means learning by reading, and vicarious learning, which means that learning by watching or modeling someone. So for some people, it's easier to learn when they watch others, say, use a product. That's why video marketing is very common in showing how a product works. The textbook uses Home Depot as an example, but especially in the business-to-business markets, firms use video marketing more often than ever because it gives firms a way to flaunt their expertise in a subject matter and lure business leads. Bain & Company's and international management consulting firm's YouTube account is a good example. If you take a B2B marketing class or get some experience in the industry, you will realize that B2B companies, at least the smart ones, constantly try to add a service component to their business. You can be selling something as simple as nuts and bolts. Doing this for, let's say, 20 years, you'll gain some expertise, and turning that expertise into financial returns is an important B2B marketing strategy. And video marketing is one way to convey this expertise. Finally, as a society, our reading habits are declining based on a 2007 report by the National Endowment for the Arts. People spend about 7 minutes of their daily leisure time on average on reading, and they spend hours watching video. For all these reasons, video marketing is very beneficial in content creation. YouTube obviously is the most popular platform with about 1 billion users, and half of its views are on mobile devices. And entry barriers are really not that high. 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. So you can easily be one of these people. However, it's not the only platform. Other platforms such as Vine or Periscope, which are both owned by Twitter, are also very useful platforms. Snapchat and Instagram have short video features, as well as Facebook that provides its own video making feature.